Plumbing problems can crop up any time and unfortunately becomes evident just as quickly. While dialing the plumber at odd hours can resolve your problem, learning to fix simple plumbing problems on your own can save you a lot of hassle and not to forget a significant amount of money in plumbing repairs. Before you start out with the repair work, it is a good idea to get acquainted with the common plumbing repairs that are needed at home. Leaking faucets, toilet repairs, tub and shower plumbing, clogged drains and water heater repair problems are some that may come up from time to time. To clear a clogged drain, use a chemical drain cleaner to clear the clogged up element in the drain. Most drain cleaners are highly caustic and can damage the water pipes, so use it with care. Now plunge the drain and clear out the debris and the hair that may be causing the blockage. Installing a strainer in the sinks can help keep the debris and the hair from blocking the drains. In case of complex problems like those related to the electrical water heater systems or installing a septic tank, you will require professional help. Choose a good plumber who is an expert at plumbing repairs and will not charge you a massive bill for simple everyday plumbing problems. Call now 250-575-8138.